updated one just because I can't pull that video. I'll see which one's better. Maybe I'll just keep this one, whatever. But first of all, one thing I didn't try that I just tried and it started working again is I had to repair the device because it wasn't connecting at all. So I just prepare a new device, update firmware, whatever the case is, right? So that's fine. I did that. It seems to be working now. I see the recording. I was able to live stream, so the LTE is working. Boom, perfect. Well, I don't know if it was streaming through LTE or that's just streaming through the Wi-Fi, but regardless, it's working. I think that was streaming through. Whatever. So first and foremost, let's assume that took care of the problem and that's not an issue, because if that was an issue, there's a lot to talk about. But I'm going to assume that I had to repair the device because it wasn't paired properly. Let's just give the benefit of a doubt. Now let's talk about the app. But other than that, I mean, I think TomTom, was it TomTom? Oh man, no, Garmin. Garmin video has Garmin Dash Cam has a few that may have that feature. For the video quality, the audio sucks. That's nothing. The audio on this is not. I don't think it was so bad. I'll test it out. You guys can hear for yourself. But it's not as good as the VFO. So, who's this camera for? If you a person who likes to do dash cam clips, the video quality sucks, it's not for you. If you're a person who just wants a camera that's working, if you need to go on the main unit and get the video, like, I wouldn't say get this camera. I would say get the Pro dual camera, or the Scotch, I think it's called.